Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Hitch and Yeti here. Today I'm out here at the Mickey and Minnie Runaway Railway ride here at Hollywood Studios. We're going to get in line. We have a 70-minute standby wait queue. We're going to see how accurate it is. We have no lightning lane or no kind of Genie Plus fast pass jump in the line advantage today. So we're just going to get in this standby queue, see how long it actually takes us. Let's go do this. I'm ready to ride some rides. Waiting in line for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Some people are not happy. These kids are very angry today.
Take your shoes off.
I feel like that kid right now. This is a long ride.
Well, you ready for a picnic? Yep, we're off to the park. See you all there. Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. Any trouble. Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train?
Yeah?
Excuse me, you there.
Who, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
I guess I could goofy, but that sounds like a lot of paperwork.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Alright, guys, let's go get Marty and the lady go behind. Good luck.
Well, let me.
Same place we're going.
Where's that?
To ride the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
Say that real fast. 3 times. So we're inside, friends.
Engineer Goofy here. For your safety on board the train, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your train car at all times. Be sure to stay in your seats and keep a watchful eye on your little railroad runners. Okay? Thanks.
All of us are here.
Here comes our train. We're in the caboose.
Just that place our bags on the ground. Had tears and sometimes that's
It's a great ride. I love this.
Right around the horn. Hey, Mick and Ben. What could possibly go wrong? Oh no! I must have hit that track switch! This is all my fault! Oh no! Let's get that runaway train! nothing was gonna go wrong. What's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings. Take your small children by the hand and watch your step as you exit the train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long.
That concludes our ride. That was a lot of fun, folks. Alright friends, just got off of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. So the posted time at the time I got in line was 70-minute wait. It was about 11 a.m. and it ended up taking us an hour to get on the ride, which is still less than the 70 minutes that was posted. And here's another thing, it would have been a whole lot quicker, but we had like a 15-minute breakdown while we was in line, which was disappointing. It's never fun to be in line, you know, for that much time and then all of a sudden it breaks down, because you know then it's extended. But then when I looked at my clock as I entered the final part of the queue inside of the Chinese theater here, it was still, we was only been in line at that point in time about 55 minutes. So the time we got into the final room to get on the ride was exactly around about 61, maybe about 61 minutes. So it was still less than the 70. It would have been quite a bit less than that. It would have been, you know, more like a 45-minute wait. So just keep that in mind when you're here. Those wait times posted all the time are not always quite as long as it looks to be. And I don't know if that's just a way to sell more Genie Plus, you know, or not. Who knows? But I do know it would have been about 15 minutes less. But all in all, another great ride. Had a good time, and I hope you like this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm the Hitchhiking Yeti, and I will see you in my next adventure.